Among the Puranas, Purana Ratna, Vishnu Purana and Srimad Bhagavatam are the most exalted. Both these Puranas are bestowed to us by the illustrious father-son duo Parashara and Vedavyasa. Both these two glorious Puranas are most revered, and both of them cater to two distinct needs. Vishnu Purana is considered the very essence of Puranas and contains direct Upabrahmanas of the Upanishads. This Purana explains key Upanishad Vakyas and elaborates on the philosophy of the Vedanta. Among Puranas, Vishnu Purana has the nature of being on an equal level with the Brahma Sutras. Both Shankara and Ramanuja quote extensively from this Purana. This Purana happens to be the major Puranic reference in all their works. Shankara says, Tatuktam Purane, without qualifying the word Purana as Sri Vishnu Purana. This shows the significance of Sri Vishnu Purana. On the other hand, Srimad Bhagavatam is focused on explaining the nature of Bhagavan by adopting the tone of one who has already understood the philosophy of the Upanishads and is ready to immerse oneself in Bhagavat Kalyana Gunanubhava. Also note the intent of both the Puranas. The Vishnu Purana starts off with the question of Maitreya. Maitreya's question inquiring about the nature of reality. Thus, the Purana has nothing but determination of the tattvas revealed by the Upanishads as its aim. Whereas Bhagavatam was written by Vyasa due to his despondency in not describing Krishna Leela adequately. Though Bhagavatam automatically includes Tattva Vichara as part of its content, it is more aimed at an audience seeking Bhagavad Anubhava. Both Shankaracharya and Ramanujacharya recognize this. Unlike Madhvacharya, who quotes a numerous number of smritis at any given time, these acharyas referred extensively only to the texts which are aimed at directly clarifying the statements in Vedanta, like Bhagavad Gita and Vishnu Purana. Adi Shankara's primary works were around the Prasthanatraya, Upanishads, Brahma Sutra and Gita, and therefore he based his references on the Vishnu Purana and not the Bhagavata. Several other acharyas depended solely on the Bhagavatam for their teachings, beginning with the most ancient commentary presently known as Tantra Bhagavata from the Pancharatra, which dates much before Shankara's times. There are several illustrious acharyas who have done extensive work on Bhagavatam. Madhvacharya, Sridhara, Vijayadhvajatirtha, Sudarsan Suri, Veeraraghava, Vallabhacharya, Lakshmidhara, Srinatha Chakravarthy, Sanatana Goswami, Jiva Goswami, and several others have written on Bhagavatam in Sanskrit. We must also know that amongst all the Puranas, the Bhagavata Purana has the unique distinction of being the most commented. Throughout the centuries, it attracted a host of commentators from all schools. Over 80 bhashyas in Sanskrit alone are known, and many more commentaries exist in various Indian languages. Srimad Bhagavatam Nama Puranam Lokavishrutam Shrunuyat Shraddhaya Yukto Mama Santosha Karanam. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu.